In the Kansas City area, according to a recent UMKC study, only 22% of black students are proficient in reading. White students, 61%. That's a 39-point gap. So let's ask the question nobody wants to ask. What happened to black education? What happened to excellence? There was a time when black schools had fewer resources, but produced strength, discipline, literacy, pride, and leaders. So what changed? In From the Cotton Fields to a Village, What Went Wrong with Black Education, Dr. Shabazz digs deep into the history, the culture, the loss of the village, and the voices of black educators who lived it. This is more than a book. It's a wake-up call, a history lesson, and a challenge to rebuild what we lost. If you care about our children, our communities, and our future, you need to read this book. Black History for Beginners, From the Cotton Fields to a Village, What Went Wrong with Black Education, available now on Amazon.com.